Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I am visiting my boyfriend this week in New Jersey, and right now I'm on my way to yoga, but I just thought I'd do a little weekly vlog because I told myself in 2025 that I would vlog more. I'm playing hooky from school and I've already been here for like a week, but I only have class on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and my classes got canceled next week Tuesday. So I was originally supposed to leave on Monday, but then I switched my flight literally last night because my classes got canceled and I'd rather be here. I just got to yoga and I called me a nail appointment at noon. So I've got nails at noon and I'm gonna, this yoga class is an hour, it's 75 minutes. So I get out at 10:45, I'm gonna run and make my return at Home Goods and then go to nails, go to the grocery store, then go home, shower, and then work, and then Rye gets home at like 5, and then I'm gonna make us dinner and go to bed. So that's my agenda for the day. Hopefully I vlog a lot so it's entertaining for you guys, but I kind of just realized I forgot a towel to take my sweat off in class, and that's a little scary. Okay. Time to go. Hi vlog. I just finished yoga and I'm dying. Now I'm heading to do my return. Bought matcha powder because I've been really into matcha recently, and I don't know if I want to get one before my nail appointment because they have the best matcha here at this coffee shop. I don't know if anybody's watching this from the Jersey Shore area. Batch, they have the best matcha with like their homemade honey, like their local honey. Oh shit. I'm really, should be following where I'm going. Okay, I'll just see you guys when I get to the return place. Okay, I got my return done and now I'm heading to my nail appointment, but I'm a little early. I have 15 minutes, so I think I'm gonna get Rook on my way. And they just let out a new strawberry mocha cold brew. I don't know if that's gonna be good or if it sounds disgusting, but we are gonna go get it and then go get some navy nails. Yes, for Emma. Thank you. Okay, I got my Rook strawberry mocha with almond milk. It looks like a good color, so. Whoa. It's interesting. I don't think I'll ever get it again. I'll put it that way. But it's not bad. It's like really sweet, but like not. It's like bitter because of the like I should have got honey in it. All right, well, let's go get our nails done. Okay, just got out of the nail salon. They look so good. They're a little bit like more purple than I was expecting, but I love how short they are. Now I need to run to the grocery store, and I think Ryan's at home because he's not feeling well. So yeah, he's at home. So I'm just gonna run to the grocery store and then go home and see what he's doing. Sorry, I'm like mapping. I don't know where anything is here. Okay, I'm going to ShopRite. Okay, let's go get some groceries. We just got lunch. And he doesn't feel good. Let's watch a movie. I'm just gonna do a taste test. Not a good cheese pull.
Crunchy though. Mm-hmm. No, don't fucking come over here. Spartans.
Okay guys, it's time to make dinner. Stop! Come get in the vlog.
No.
I'm making pesto chicken orzo.
Not to.
vlog. We're doing a little taste test. Make sure your chicken's cooked. My chicken's cooked.
Any more?
It's chicken. Hot.
I mean, just got out of the oven.
It's good though.
Hey.
Good morning, you guys. The dogs are going crazy, but I need coffee. So that's what I'm about to make, and then I'm gonna work for a couple hours, and then I have yoga at noon, a yoga sculpt class. So let's make a little coffee. In my big mason jar. Okay, these are all the ingredients that I use. Okay, now I'm gonna go work for a little bit and then make breakfast around like 8:30. That's my plan. It's a little bit earlier than I was expecting to eat, but I'm gonna make my yogurt bowl. I have been obsessed with this yogurt. It's so good, and I think it's really good for you. I don't know. I've just been having that literally every morning with some berries. I've been doing strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. And then I'll put on some granola and maybe some honey today. This is the granola I've been using. It's very good. Here's breakfast. Hello, you guys. It's been a minute, but I'm heading to yoga. I'm so excited. Today is a yoga sculpt class. And last time I did it, I think I did it on Tuesday. Oh my gosh, was I sore. And then I'm gonna come home and eat some lunch and do some schoolwork. I also need to self-tan and do laundry. I also think me and Ryan are celebrating Valentine's Day tonight because I just can't wait to give him his gift. I'm very excited. And even though I literally will be here next week for Valentine's Day, I don't really care. I just want to celebrate now. And we have a nice dinner planned tonight. We're going to this place called Butcher Block. I don't know. But we're going there for dinner tonight. And we went there last time I was here. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So hopefully I'll film. It's kind of like nicer, so I don't know if I will film. Oh my god, that class. Wow, I'm dead. I am like so sweaty. I wish you guys could see my shirt is a completely different color. Wow, that class killed me, but it was amazing. Now it's time to go home and now it's time to go home and self-tan. So let's go do that. I have my self-tan on, as well as my PJs from last night. I feel gross because obviously I was just sweating, but I need a matcha. Last time I made a matcha, it was disgusting. So let's try and do a better job this time. This is the matcha powder I have. I just got it from Amazon. And I'm just gonna do that mixed with some honey and pour it over almond milk. I didn't do enough matcha last time. I only did 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons into this little thing. Now I'm gonna do some honey. And now I'm gonna fill it up with hot water. I did barely any water, so I'm gonna pour it over the ice and then pour almond milk on top. The color is just not good. Ugh. It's definitely better than the one I made. It's gotta be the matcha powder. Ooh, okay, I added some of this creamer and it's definitely better. But it's still just like not that good. I'm gonna heat up some of my leftovers from dinner last night for lunch, but I can't wash my hands. So like all these dishes are gonna have to wait because I can't get my hands wet. Okay, it smells so good. I am so impressed with myself. This meal was quite delish, if I do say so myself. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go eat this and ready for an exam that I have in 2 weeks. Hi vlog. I got the dogs fed and I showered and the sun is setting. And now I'm gonna make me and Ryan a little Aperol spritz for a little pre-date drink. And then I'm gonna get ready for dinner. This is my outfit. This little Amazon Loewe sweater dupe, and then these 7 jeans. And this is the fit for dinner. Here's a better view of my outfit. You guys could barely even see it. But this little sweater from Amazon. And then, okay, we're also doing Valentine's Day tonight because I can't wait for him to open his gift. So, if anybody can guess, there's a couple things in here, but I got him 2 pairs of joggers. I drew him something and then I decorated golf balls. So I can't wait for him to open it. But in the meantime, look at you. Hey vlog, it's dinner time. He's ready to go.